Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a long time since I last posted or uploaded a video here in my channel. I apologize. It has been a busy month for me. Okay? Dahil I am now in a new business venture. And which I am really enjoying, not only because it is a good income opportunity, because we are now welcoming the good life. Okay, so guys, like what I have shared with you in my past video, I am now with JC Premier with my husband. Okay, so if you see here, I'm going to show you. Okay, ganito na lang ha. Lagay ko na lang dito. We already finished 3 boxes of JC Organic Barley Juice. So, ito po ngayon ang aming tinitake. Ayan. Alright. So, sobrang saya po namin because napakaganda po ng negosyong ito. Okay? Hindi po nila kayo sasabihan na mag-recruit. So, yung mga nagtatanong sa akin dyan, networking ba yan? Yung lang nagustuhan ko dito sa company na napasukan namin because they do not tell you to recruit people, but they encourage you to use the product para ma-prove mo sa sarili mo ang effectivity and how it is going to benefit your overall health, and how does good health affect you having a good life. Ayan, at napatunayan ko ngayon guys. So last night we had a meeting with the business partners and the team, and we finished our meeting at around 12 o'clock na, o lampas 12 o'clock na guys. And this morning I conducted my first class at 6 o'clock. Okay, so I had only around 5 hours of sleep because of course hindi ako natutulog kaagad. There are still a lot of things that I have to work on and review because of course yung mga expenses mo na nandito sa iyong mahingagang notebook. Ayan, titignan mo bago ka matulog, magsusulat ka ng journal mo. And of course me and my husband, meron din kaming mga pinag-uusapan tungkol sa buhay at negosyo na natulog kami alauna na guys. Ayan, pero if you can see, full of energy pa rin tayo, and that is with the help of the JC Organic Barley Juice. Ayan, so marami pong products, health and wellness products, and JC Premier. Okay, not only with organic barley juice, but also this comes in a lot of other varieties like coffee and capsule. Okay, so hindi po kami nagkakape for us dito kami sa barley organic juice, but kung kayo po ay makape at gusto nyo na mag-take ng barley in that form, they also have that available. Okay? And kung ayaw nyo po na nag-iinom ng ganito at mas gusto nyo na lulunukin nyo na lang, it also comes in capsules. Okay, so yeah, you can message me for inquiries, but now I am going to show you how this is prepared. Okay, so I love this guys. Kung when the first time we tried this, parang binabagalan ko pa yung pag-inom dahil parang sabi ko baka amoy dahon siya, kenime okay, pero at saka I would like to talk about the effects during the first intake of this product. Nagtaitay kami guys, so it proves that something is happening inside the body. Yeah, yes, and after that day, feeling mo yung na-refresh ka, parang na-cleanse talaga yung katawan mo, and you feel invigorated, feeling free from worries, and there's something about it na parang stress-free ka talaga. Ayan, so if you look at my skin then, if text ko lang, char, yeah, ang dami niya talagang na-show na good results. Aside from nararamdaman mo inside your body, it also shows sa iyong physical appearance. Okay, so nakakabata talaga siya, guys. And we are also trying to slowly introduce this product in our children's system, yung panganay namin, kasi hindi po talaga sila makain ng gulay, yung mga bata ngayon. Except our youngest, yan, si English speaking, ayan. So, we encourage them to drink organic barley juice, okay? Kasi alam nyo naman guys, mag-research kayo dyan, ang barley talaga is full of nutrients, vitamin A, it has high OPAC values, and it has antioxidants, okay, that prevents and fights cancer cells and other illnesses that you may have, okay? Ayan, so very blessing po talaga ito sa amin ng aking asawa dahil, you know, yung asawa ko pala in the past, meron siyang check-up para sa work, parang general check-up na requirement sa work. Na gulat kami dahil pinagsabihan siya ng doktor na sa borderline na siya ng diabetes. So, it explains kung bakit pala lumalaki yung kanyang tiyan. Ayan. Pero, since then, medyo nag-iwas-iwas na siya sa matataba, sa mga matatamis, and now, okay, talagang ang lahat ay falling into place dahil na-introduce kami dito sa negosyong ito by our beloved brother, my brother-in-law who is in UK. Hi, Kuya Ryan, thanks. Okay, for giving us this opportunity to be a part of this business and to start a good life. Ayan, so ganito siya guys. Gaya na nakita nyo, ngayon po ay 7:30 na. I already finished conducting 3 lessons here at 5 on Talk. I have here a cold water prepared. Ayan, so empty pa po ang aking stomach. Ngayon guys, once a day pa lang namin siya tinitake. Pero looking forward to taking this twice a day na. After this week, siguro magto-twice a day na kami. Ayun. You're going to dissolve this or dilute this in a 300 ml glass of cold water. So, juice talaga siya. Ang lasa niya, fantastic. Okay? Like, nung una, sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba, hindi ko natuloy yung kwento ko sa kadaldalan ko. Okay, nung una, di ba guys, pag iniinom ko to, i-demo ko sa inyo kung paano. Binabagalan to kasi inaamoy ko siya. Sabi ko, hindi ako ma-drink ng dahon, be. Hindi ako mag-drink ng mga dahon-dahon. So, sobrang bagal ko siyang iniinom. Pero ngayon, binabagalan ko kasi gusto ko talagang namnamin yung sarap ng product. Sarap niya, guys. Alam niyo yung matcha. Actually, hindi pa ako nakakatikim ng matcha drink eh. Pero, according sa description, basta ang alam ko sa isip ko masarap siya. Pero according sa description ng mga ibang nagtitake ng JC Organic Barley, lasang matcha daw siya. So, ngayon alam ko na ang lasa ng matcha. Eh, funny? Funny ka, Jern? Okay. So, yan. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, ha. Ayan. So, ganito siya, guys. Oo nga, mukhang malabnaw yung pagtimpla ko. Pero, gusto ko siya ng ganito. Ganito siya. So, nung una akong nag-take nito, guys, ganito ako. Ganyan akong mag-take. Tapos, bibilisan ko para hindi ko maamoy. Tapos, ngayon naman, pag umiinom ako, tatagalan ko talaga, guys. Para malamdam ko talaga siya. Sobrang sarap talaga. Mai-enjoy mo at hanap-hanapin talaga ng katawan mo. Ayan. Tapos, ito ka pa, guys. Syempre, may natitirang, although, very, very pinong-pino talaga ang powder nitong, ng juice. So, ngayon naman, pag may natitira dito na kaunti, talagang, ginaganyan ko pa yung daliri ko. Ginaganyan ko ba? Dahil, tinitikman ko yung powder dito, parang gatas, ginagawa natin sa gatas. So, sobrang sarap. Ayan. So, guys, hindi lang ito nakakaganda sa condition ng ating body, sa appearance natin, but also, ang gusto ko dito, guys, ang na-feel namin na napag-uusapan namin ng husband ko ay kahit yung our way of thinking, pag healthy ka, hindi ganyan na. Pag healthy ka pala is, yung decision making mo is naaapektuhan din. Okay, so nandiyan na tayo sa mahal, guys. Pero remember, prevention is not only better than cure, but it's better and cheaper than cure. Ayan, so wag na nating hintayin na hospital pa tayo and then that's the time na sasabihin natin, kahit magkano yan kahit magkano yan, handa akong gastusan, mabuhay lang ako, humaba lang ang buhay ko, di ba? Ganoon ang mentality nating mga Pilipino. Okay, pero again, let's invest in our health. Hindi po natin yan pagsisisihan. So, yun lang po ang gusto kong i-share sa video na ito. Kung anong ginagawa ko alongside with teaching as an online English teacher. I am engaged in this business. And I am into this business really because we are using the products. Sige, oh, come on.
I'm gonna your like your glasses, please.
My glasses?
Yeah.
Where are my glasses, Daddy? It's on there. Yeah. And look, sasampulan ko pala kayo nandito yung anak ko. Rojen, can you drink some of this barley juice? Ini-introduce na po namin to sa palate ng aming mga anak because this is really a good way to help them be healthy. Yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, yun lang, guys. Sarap. So, thank you guys for supporting my channel. I really appreciate you coming here. Even when I know na hindi na ako masyadong nagpo-post tungkol sa Athena, which made you very interested in coming to my channel for tips and to listen to my experiences applying as a virtual assistant and also to get some ideas on how to teach online. But now guys, I am going to continue to share with you what I am busy with. Guys, basically naman, I started this channel to share to you what I do as a full-time mom and how I earn money. So, malay nyo guys, maging interesado kayo dito. Okay, you can message me to try this product and I will be happy to ship. Okay, to ship to you these products. Oo, kahit sa akin na yung shipping. Huwag kayo ngayong magtanong. Okay, see you again next time and see you with your healthy self and a good life. Bye!